Today we'll discuss about the 7th of 145 LeetCode top interview questions. So today's problem number is 66, title +1. So you are given a large integer represented as an integer array digits, where each digit is the ith digit of the integer. So what does it mean? That will be given a large integer and each digit will be represented in an array of integer. The digits are ordered from the most significant to least significant in the left to right order. The large integer does not contain any leading zeros. So the big integer will be given in an digit array. The digit array will not contain any zero in the beginning. So increment the large integer by 1 and return the resulting array of the digit. So we need to increment the given digit by 1 and then return the new digit array. So basically we have to add 1 at the last digit from the digits array and then return the existing array. So there will be a case where we need to modify the length of the array, because if the digits are all 9, then as you know, if we add 1, then we have to carry the carry value 1. So we'll illustrate that problem in details. So let's check the constants. So there is nothing special. Okay, let's get into the illustration of the problem. So in this problem we need to consider three cases, specifically three cases. So if this is our digit array, so here you can see the last digit is 3. So if this is our input array, we can just add 1 at the last item and then return the new array. We'll add 1 here, so the last digit will be 4. So this is case 1. Case 2, where the last digit is 9. Okay, so in that case we need to propagate our carry value to the previous item. So if we add 1 at the last digit, then it will be 0. Then we will propagate the carry, so this will be 3, this will be 1. So this will be our resulting array. And the third case we need to consider, all the digits are 9. Okay, all the digits are 9. So in that case if we add +1 to the last item, this will be 0. Carry 1 will be propagated to the second item, so the summation will be again 0. Then carry 1 will be propagated to the third item, so this is 9 plus 1 10, 0, and the last carry will be there. So as you can see, the size of the given array is no more equal, so the size of the array also increases by 1. This length is 4 and this length is 3. So we need to find a solution to satisfy all those three conditions. Now so we can iterate through the digit as the digit are from most to to list significant order. So this is, if we iterate, this will be our index 0 1 2 0, such that, so we have to iterate the array from the end. So for I is equal to length, okay, I is greater than or equal to 0, then I minus I will decrement the I. And for each ith element, we'll just check if the digit array is less than 9. Okay, this case, first case, less than 9. So digit array of I is less than 9. So in that case, we'll just add 1 to the uh, last item and then return the digit array. So okay, so this is our if case. So under this condition, if the item is less than 9, and under the else condition, we'll just put 0. Why? As you can see in the second example, second case, if it is 9, then this index will be 0. So we have set the index to 0, but we didn't return the result. And in the second iteration, we'll came into this item, and this is less than 9, so we'll plus 1. So the output will be 3. Okay, 0 3, and then we just return the output, so it will be 1 3 0. So with this loop, we already covered the first two cases, but this case is special. We need to handle it separately because the size of the array will be increased. So we can just initiate a new integer array, and the size of this array will be existing size plus 1. So from the initialization, all the item will be set to 0. So the new item integer array will be for this case size 4 0 0 0 0, and we can just put this is new digit. So we can just put 1 at the first index and then return the new digit array. Okay, so what this will do, it will put 1 here and return. So I found this approach pretty simple. So let's get into code and implement this solution. Let's check if our code compiles. So there is no compilation error, so we'll just submit the code. So we have accepted the problem. For the explanation, we iterate through the items from the last from the ending, and then check if the digit is less than 9, then we just add 1 and return. Otherwise we will put 0 in the index and continue iterating through the next item. And if all the digits are not 9, then the iteration will be return the output from here. And if in case it doesn't return, then we understand that all the digits are 9, so the output will be returned from this section. Thank you for watching.